Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. There are no birthdays today at Orchard Hollow, but remember to tell Mr. Phillips, our custodian, happy birthday. His birthday is tomorrow. And now it's time for the joke of the day.
Joke of the day, joke of the day. It's a party animal joke of the day. Woo! Hi, party animals. It's Makara, and I've got a joke for you today. Why did the cat run away from the tree? Because it was afraid of the bark. And that's a party animal joke of the day. Woo!
A couple important Orchard Hollow reminders. Thank you to all of our Huskies who are wearing their masks every day correctly. Remember to wear your mask that completely covering your nose and mouth. This helps keep everyone safe and healthy. Also remember to wash your hands thoroughly before and after using the bathroom, before you eat lunch. Also remember to use the hand sanitizing stations located throughout the building. Look who we caught using social distancing when walking in a line. Way to go, third graders. I wonder who we'll catch next, social distancing in the hallways. Great job, third grade. We hope your sweet tooth is ready because November 4th is National Candy Day. These sweet and sour treats have been our favorite snack since we were kids. Whether they're hard, chewy, fruit-flavored, or melt in your mouth, not in your hand sort of treat, candy has been a consistent source of happiness for many. Congratulations to Miss Tompkins' class for being their best last week on Remote Wednesday. Way to be great digital citizens. More good news. Mrs. Dickinson's class and Miss Grambo's class are examples of wonderful best behavior at recess. Mrs. Mitsko caught you being your best. Great work, fourth grade. Finally, remember, our schedule today for Remote Wednesday is 8:45 to 9:15 morning meeting. 9:15 to 10:15 will be your literacy block. 10:15 to 10:30 you'll have a break. 10:30 to 11:30 will be your math block. And 11:30 to 11:45 you will have closing meeting. And here's a message from my dog, Indy.
Make it a great day, Huskies.